This is Bob from YouTube. So, Apple came out with the new iPhone 12 recently. Today was the launch date, October the 23rd, where you're supposed to find it in all the stores, but apparently all the stores are sold out. You can't get it, especially the Pro model, the one that I actually wanted. But lo and behold, I've actually pre-ordered this iPhone a few days ago, and it came today. Though I should have made a video earlier, but what the hell? Okay, I know it's gonna get dark, but let me just get to it. All right. So it came today by the regular UPS guy. You probably knew what was inside because he was admiring the box. But anyway, here we are with the new iPhone 12 regular. Okay, right here in product red. As you can see, as big as my face. And of course, they're trying to cut back on waste and everything, and I don't blame them. Apparently, this phone is half the size. It's on a diet, not like me. It's gone on a diet. It lasts half its original size to be this size, about an inch in depth. All right. So yeah, so they've also removed the charger, so you could use your old charger, which I plan on doing. But they included a USB-C type charger, which if you want to use that charger, you're gonna have to buy the plug for that one, not like the old USB-A plug that comes with the older iPhones. So I got the 228 gig model because I plan on upgrading to getting the iPhone Pro Max when it comes out next month in either gold or Pacific Blue. I can't make up my mind yet, but in the meantime, I got the product red. Hold on a second, somebody's calling me. Yeah, so I got the product red iPhone. I don't know who the hell is calling me, man. So yeah, the product red iPhone, which does not go to HIV anymore. It goes towards COVID, at least for the time being. So here's the box once again. Let's open it up and see what's inside, obviously. Well, the iPhone, I expect to be an iPhone there. If not, I'm going to be really angry. All right, let's open up the box. A little bit of ASMR here for you. A nice, clean unboxing, wrapper unboxing, and very easy to open. Nice, sturdy looking box here. I'm sure you're paying an arm and leg for the box as well, including the price, but they don't tell you those things, but that's okay. So it's a nice box. Of course, you're going to keep the box, but here it is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, space aliens, whatever you want to call yourself these days. The product red iPhone 12. Look at that. Nice and neat. My phone does not do justice because my iPhone XR stopped working, and I had to get a new replacement. But here it is, squared off edges, not like the old ones. Here it goes, right here. The squared off iPhone 12. All right. Apparently it has better cameras. Here you have the volume rocker and the power button on the other side, and of course over here you have those new cameras. Does not have the LiDAR, which the iPhone Pro has. Instead, it has two regular cameras and flash. And as you can see, these edges are squared off. Okay, top and bottom. And it's 5G. So here's the 5G antenna right here at the side. You can barely see it right here. Okay, and there are different types of 5G. Has other antennas on the phone, as you can see here. So it looks really neat. It's not my first color, but I said, what the hell, try to park red for once. Last time I had the blue. Okay, so let's just take this out. All right, take off the wrapper from this phone. I don't know if you could hear that. Okay, nice black screen. This is apparently a new OLED screen. It's been updated for 2020. No more LCD or IPS display. This is a real OLED screen, 2 million to 1. Let's turn it off, see if there's any juice to it. But let me show you the power button right here. It feels good on the hand because it's flat, It's not bulky or anything like that. It's just more thin and more flat. Here's your buttons for the volume rocker. And apparently this phone is also great because it could record something new for 2020. Instead of just recording 4K, 30 frames, 60 frames, 24 frames, I could also record in HDR and Dolby Vision. So And you could actually edit it on this phone, which is absolutely cool. All right, so you can record Dolby Vision, HDR on this phone, and edit it in iMovie. I mean, how cool is that? All right, that's super cool. All right, and other features, it has an A14 Bionic chip, which is the newest and fastest chip right now out there in any smartphone. Um, and Samsung keeps coming out with these. Well, forget about Samsung. But I know they're making fun of Apple right now for not having the charger inside. But they always seem to follow Apple afterwards. You understand? So I expect Samsung themselves to remove the charger. I mean the brick after a while. But here is the speakers here and the charging port, Lightning, and of course the other speakers right here in the headset there, and the speaker right there. And yeah, let's see. Turn on this bad boy and see we get any kind of reception. No, I'm not gonna put my SIM card in right now. I'm just doing this is just basically an unboxing for you guys. Let me turn it on here. Turn on this cam. I mean this cam. This well, it is a camera. That's the main thing. That's I'm probably gonna use this phone to take out some good pictures and video in the future. And oh, look how nice that display is. And, hello to me, hello to you too. So let's just swipe up and see what we got. Obviously, you got to do your own, setting up and stuff like that, which I'm not gonna do right now. But yeah, it's kind of smallish. It feels like an iPhone Mini. The iPhone Mini is gonna come out next month. iPhone 12 Mini is gonna come out next month as well. So this is like the regular iPhone, and I can't wait to get the iPhone Pro Max 12. I keep forgetting saying 12. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, which comes out next month, which will be, I think, the best phone ever. The only thing I'm concerned about with this phone is that the battery life, from what I could see, is not as great as the older iPhone 11 Pro. Though it is better than the iPhone 11 regular. They've cut down the battery life. Hopefully, because of the chip, could probably they see it as more efficient or something, but I don't think that's the case. I'd rather have a thicker iPhone than have a smaller battery life. I mean, go figure, right? I mean, who cares if it's thin? Give me a fat iPhone any day, a battery that can last me the whole week. I don't care. You understand? I really don't care. So yeah, let's see what else comes inside the box. All right. So in the box we have also. Let me just put this to the side before it falls down and break. I don't have a case for it yet, so I might have to be extra careful now with these buttery fingers. So once again, here is that USB-C Lightning port charger. Once again, you can use your old charger, the regular one, the 5 watts. They also sell the MagSafe wireless charger. Let's see what's in this little pamphlet or folder. Got your product red identification, as if you didn't know already, and your SIM ejector tool, and your sticker, which I'm going to put in back in my car as soon as I'm done. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep my information personal. Who knows? I don't want people to know that I'm using an Apple phone, but you probably do now because you saw this video. Though I love Apple. Don't get me wrong. Apple's So yeah, I'm going to use my old charger that I have. I do have a 20-watt USB-C charger. But yeah, let's get back to the phone. It's nice and sleek and very... Now, speaking of that, apparently the screen in front is made from, let me just turn this off for a second. It's a special type of glass ceramic shield, which means that it's 4 times stronger than last year's model, the iPhone 11. We'll see how it holds up. If it was to fall down, of course, I'm going to put a screen protector no matter what. Okay, ceramic shield or not, I'm just going to put a tempered glass protector over it, despite and the back is just a regular glass screen, though it's more stronger than, I guess, probably the same as the iPhone 11. Yeah, so let's hope for God's sake it doesn't break on you. But I mean, you paid $1,000 for the phone. This one I paid about $1,000, with tax, everything included. I bought it unlocked because I don't want to deal with these companies. I could put in my SIM, any kind of SIM I wanted to, and Yeah, let's see if we could do something here with this phone. It's a nice clear display. It's a XDR display, probably running at 6K. Um, of course, you can record in 4K. Like I said before, including the front-facing camera, which is really cool. All right, and Dolby Vision. So I plan on trying that out as soon as I can. Right now, you're watching me in 1080p with my old phone, cheap phone. I'm recording you on a cheap phone right now. But yeah, this phone is great. Feels great. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the iPhone 12 Pro in product red that came out today for 2020. So, my channel is usually about eating food and stuff like that. If you guys want to subscribe, you can go ahead and subscribe and make a notification. Click that bell, whatever. So, the Bob from YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time. I thank you guys for watching my video. Okay, so peace out.